For many Loves Park homeowners, finding home upgrades that combine beauty, performance, and convenience is essential, especially for busy families and professionals with little time for upkeep. Bow windows have long been admired for their elegant curves and ability to flood rooms with natural light. Today, low-maintenance bow windows make this classic feature even more appealing by offering lasting performance without demanding constant care. Here's why low-maintenance bow windows are a practical, time-saving upgrade for Loves Park homes. Modern materials reduce ongoing maintenance. Traditional bow windows often required frequent painting, sealing, and repairs. Modern bow windows are built with advanced materials designed to withstand Loves Park's seasonal weather without constant attention. Popular low-maintenance materials include vinyl frames, which resist moisture, fading, and warping, fiberglass frames, offering strength and long-term stability. Composite materials, engineered for durability and insulation. These materials maintain their appearance for years with minimal upkeep. Easy clean glass keeps windows looking clear. Modern bow windows can be equipped with advanced glass options that reduce cleaning frequency. Helpful features include dirt and dust-resistant glass coatings, smooth glass surfaces that clean easily. Tilt inside windows for safe interior cleaning. For busy homeowners, this means spending less time cleaning and more time enjoying the view. Durable seals prevent drafts and water issues. Older windows often develop leaks that require constant attention. Low-maintenance bow windows feature improved sealing systems designed to perform reliably over time. Benefits include tight weather stripping that resists wear, secure joints between window panels, reduced risk of moisture intrusion. These features help maintain comfort while minimizing repair needs. Long-lasting energy efficiency with minimal effort. Low-maintenance bow windows aren't just easy to care for, they're also energy efficient. Modern insulated glass and frames help regulate indoor temperatures without requiring frequent adjustments or maintenance. Energy-saving features include double or triple pane insulated glass, low-E coatings that manage heat transfer, argon gas fills for improved insulation. These features reduce energy loss and help lower utility bills year-round. Stable designs that hold their shape over time. Bow windows extend outward and rely on precise alignment for proper performance. Modern low-maintenance designs are engineered to maintain structural integrity through temperature changes. Professional installation combined with durable materials ensures reduced sagging or shifting, smooth operation of side panels, consistent sealing and performance. This stability eliminates the need for frequent adjustments. Minimal exterior upkeep enhances curb appeal. Low-maintenance bow windows retain their clean appearance without frequent painting or refinishing. Their smooth finishes resist chipping, peeling, and discoloration. For Loves Park homeowners, this means consistently attractive exteriors, less time spent on seasonal upkeep, long-term curb appeal. A beautiful home exterior without extra effort is a major advantage. A smart upgrade for busy lifestyles. Bow windows add charm and functionality to a home, but modern low-maintenance designs make them especially practical for busy households. Homeowners enjoy elegant design without constant care, bright, open living spaces, reliable performance in all seasons, long-term value with minimal effort. Enjoy the beauty of bow windows without the work. Low-maintenance bow windows offer Loves Park homeowners the perfect balance of style and practicality. With durable materials, easy clean glass, strong seals, and energy-efficient performance, they provide all the benefits of classic bow windows without the upkeep. For busy homeowners who want a beautiful upgrade that fits their lifestyle, low-maintenance bow windows are a smart, stress-free investment that enhances comfort, curb appeal, and everyday living.